Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play Clash of Clans on Ubuntu. To begin, understand that while Ubuntu is not a native Android platform, powerful emulation software makes this perfectly achievable. We will explore the necessary tools and steps to get your game running smoothly. This method ensures you can enjoy your mobile gaming on a larger screen with keyboard and mouse controls for enhanced gameplay. It is an exciting way to expand your gaming options. Several robust Android emulators are available for Ubuntu, each offering unique advantages. For optimal performance and a native-like feel, Waydroid stands out as a top choice. It integrates well with the Ubuntu system and provides a smooth Android environment. Alternatively, you could consider setting up Android x86 in a virtual machine, such as VirtualBox, if you prefer a more isolated system. Choose the option that best fits your system resources and technical comfort level. The installation process for Waydroid on Ubuntu is straightforward, though it requires a few command line steps. First, you need to add the Waydroid repository to your system's software sources. Next, update your package list and then proceed to install Waydroid using the appropriate command. It is important to ensure your system has sufficient resources, such as at least 4 GB of RAM and 2 CPU cores, for the best performance. This setup prepares your environment for Android applications. With Waydroid running, the next step is to install Clash of Clans itself. Launch the Waydroid container, which provides a full Android operating system environment. Inside this environment, locate and open the Google Play Store application. You will then need to log in using your Google account details to access the vast library of Android apps. From there, simply search for Clash of Clans and initiate the installation. This process is identical to installing the game on a standard mobile device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.